Mark Cuban recently said that the world's first trillionaires are going to come from somebody who masters AI. Jenny Rometty, former CEO of IBM, said, "AI will not replace humans, but those who use AI will replace those who don't." This video will teach you how to make $100, all powered by AI tools. These 5 side hustles can change your life. Stick around until the end because the last hustle is the easiest to start and almost nobody knows about it. First one is Copy AI. Business needs writing well-managed SEO, product description, and ads publishing. You can pick those jobs from Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, etc. This is where Copy AI or Jasper AI helps in writing those professional ads and product description. Or you can write blog posts or publish own blog. There is only initial investment necessary for subscription. After that you can create anything, publish anything, ready to gather huge views. But what if writing isn't your thing? Don't worry, the next hustle barely needs writing at all. Second, we have AI video editor, Pictory. Besides editing video, Pictory makes easily create short videos, royalty-free. People are paying $100 plus for editors who can make viral TikToks/Reels. You can also create AI videos for educational course, coaches, business professional AI-powered videos all within a second. Sell services to small YouTubers and coaches. They are always in demand. And wait until hustle number 4. It's something you can set up once and keep making money while you sleep. Our next-gen hustle is generate t-shirt, mug, and poster designs. Here we created cyberpunk lion with a neon light in just 1 sentence, prompt. Sky is not your limit. No design skills is necessary. Just imagine a design and make it real with Leonardo AI. Then, sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, Teespring. Our next-gen hustle is AI blog plus affiliate marketing. For this we are going to start a blog in a niche like productivity or fitness. Don't struggle to get your blog ranked on Google? Rocket, here's the cheat code. We will write our blog using ChatGPT and Surfer SEO. Search has changed. People turn to Google, ChatGPT, and other AI chats to find answers. Surfer SEO gives you one workflow to make sure your content is visible in all of them. Use ChatGPT to generate your blog draft in seconds. Then, run it through Surfer SEO to optimize keywords, headings, and structure. The combo means you publish fast and rank higher without guessing. Stop writing blind. Let AI plus Surfer SEO make your content SEO ready today. Lastly, our most important and easier hustle, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. Use the free tool, resi.ai/kickresume. Your resume could be the reason you're not getting hired. Grimacing face. Many job seekers pay $50 to $200 for resume rewrites. KickResume and ResiAI both create stunning, professional resumes and cover letters using AI templates. Clean design, easy customization, and proven to impress recruiters. Use AI to rewrite CVs, LinkedIn bios, and cover letters. Advertise on LinkedIn, Reddit, or local groups. These are just 5 side hustles, but each one can be scaled into a real business. Which hustle would you start today? Drop it in the comments, and I'll personally reply with more free tips. If you found value, smash that like button, share this with a friend who needs money, and subscribe for more AI hustles every week. And hey, in my next video, I'll show you the secret AI website no one talks about that could make you unstoppable. See you there.